Hello, dear students. Hope you are doing well. Now, first of all, a big congratulations to all of you for clearing one more milestone of your school life and entering into a new class. Now, to start with the new section, I have decided to take up a topic which is very interesting, easy, and very much familiar to you. That is the nouns. And this is the very first topic which is prescribed in your syllabus also. So here I will be telling you what are nouns, different examples, and the different types of nouns, and then it will be followed by some recapitulating exercises for you which will help you to get thorough with this topic. So let's start. First of all, what are nouns? You are very well aware of the topic. Let's discuss it again. Any naming word is called a noun. Noun is a name of a person, place, animal, thing, or feelings and ideas. Yes, any feelings and ideas are also nouns. Like for example, Rohan, Ashok, Geeta, doctor, tailor, policeman, etc. Name of any place like India, Haridwar, any monument like Qutub Minar, Red Fort, any normal place like common place like house, tent, apartment, hospital, garden, all these are nouns. Now, feelings and emotions like ideas like kindness, honesty, brotherhood, health, love, faith, beauty, all these are nouns. Now, all the common nouns like box, pencil, shoes, lamps, bags, kite, computer, spoon, etc. The things which you commonly see around are nouns. Now, days, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, months, January, February, March, degrees, inches, kilograms, all these are nouns. Name of animal, any animal like cow, monkey, tiger, these all are examples of nouns. Now we'll come to the topic, different types of nouns. Now generally we can divide the nouns into 5 types. That is common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun, and material noun. Now let's discuss about them in detail one by one. What is a common noun? Common noun, as the name suggests, is a name given to a list of objects which is not used for any specific or particular purpose. They are something which is very common and commonly used. Like for example, horse, book, city, desk, dog, car, boat, mother, doctor. All these are common nouns. A common noun always starts with a small letter. They do not begin with capital letters. Next comes proper noun. Proper nouns are nouns which refer to a particular person, place, or thing. They refer to someone very special. They do not refer to anything common. Like for example, Mr. Malhotra, London, New Delhi, Krishna, Indian Express, Chandigarh, Shakespeare, John, Peter, Mr. Smith. These are specific name or particular name of persons. Name of any newspaper, rivers, mountains, monuments are all proper nouns. Now, proper nouns are always written in capital letters. The first letter is always capitalized of proper noun, whether they are in the beginning of a sentence or even if they come in middle of the sentence, they are always in the capital letters. Next comes collective noun. Now, collective noun refers to a collection of or a group of person, place, animals, or things. Like for example, a troop of dancers, a pride of lions. Now, if there are many lions, a group of 4 or 5 lions, then we'll call it a pride of lions. A band of musicians, a flight of stairs, a swarm of bees, many bees together working, then it is called a swarm of bees. A school of whales, choir of singers, a flock of tourists, troop of dancers, class of students, an army of soldiers. So these words like choir, flock, troop, class, army, all these are collective nouns. So let's proceed further. Next comes abstract nouns. Abstract noun is a name of a quality, feeling, or expression. It is the name of something which we cannot see, which we cannot touch. We can only feel that. Those objects, or those things, or those ideas and feelings, we call them abstract nouns. Like, for example, pain. We can't see what is pain, we can only feel it. Hope, health, bravery, courage. We can't see the courage of a person, we can just feel that yes, that person has courage. Prosperity, length, breadth, depth, strength, kindness, brotherhood, all these are abstract nouns. Now, wisdom, anger, these are abstract nouns. Something which we cannot see, we cannot touch, but only we can feel. The ideas or the feelings are called abstract nouns. Next is the material noun. Material noun now stands for those matter or substances of which some other things are made. Like, for example, wood. Wood is used for making furniture. So wood is a material noun. Gold. Gold is used for making jewelry, ornaments. So gold is a material noun. Other examples are like silver, iron, coal, cotton. We have cotton clothes. Bricks are used to make house or wall. Flour. All these are material nouns with which other objects can be made. So here, this was the general division of nouns. Now broadly we can divide all the nouns into two different types. They are countable nouns and uncountable nouns. As the name suggests, countable nouns, the things which can be counted, and uncountable nouns are the things which we cannot count. First is countable nouns. Now, countable nouns are those that refer to things that can be counted. And these things are those which have their both singular as well as plural forms. Like, for example, we have cat and cats, book, books, woman, women, country, countries, apple, apples. We can say this apple is very nice. We can say these apples are very nice. So here we have both singular as well as plural forms of countable nouns. Now in singular form, these countable nouns can be preceded by a or an. For example, we can say an elephant is causing destruction in the village. Or we can say a boy is standing at the gate. So like this, we have singular forms of countable nouns which can be preceded with a or an. Now there are certain quantifiers which are used with countable nouns to indicate the quantity. Like, for example, few, a few, many, and some. We can say a few students are sitting in the library. We can say many students are participating in the annual function. So here we have few and many to specify a countable noun. So things which can be counted are referred to as countable nouns. So next is uncountable nouns. Now uncountable nouns are those that refer to something that cannot be counted. We cannot count them in numbers. We can have just their quantity, like for example any material, any liquid, or any concept or mass object which has no boundary. And these uncountable nouns have only their singular form. They do not have a plural form because they cannot be separated easily. Example, sand, water, sugar, tea, health, advice, kindness. Now, all these things are any material or any abstract nouns. We cannot have their measurements, we can't measure them easily, and so they are uncountable nouns. There are certain quantifiers like little, a little, much, which are used with uncountable nouns. Like for example, we can say there's much noise coming from the nearby room, or there's a little water in the jar. Okay, we can't say there's a few water in the jar, that will be wrong. A few comes with countable nouns and little comes with uncountable nouns. In the same way, many comes with countable nouns and much is used with uncountable nouns. But this quantifier some can be used with both countables and uncountable. Some children are sitting in the classroom. Some water is there in the jar. So some is a quantifier which can be used with both countable and uncountable. Now I hope you all are able to understand what I've taught you. Now I have certain exercises for you which are very interesting. The first exercise is here you have to fill in the blanks with the correct form of the abstract nouns which are given in the bracket to complete the sentence. An exercise is about collective nouns where you have to write down the collection of these things and places or animals. The third exercise consists of countable and uncountable nouns where you have to identify whether the underlined word is a countable or uncountable noun. So please try and attempt these exercises in your notebooks, and I hope you enjoyed the class, you found it interesting, and please keep on revising. Thank you.